Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix software update stuck on verifying update. So guys, if you are trying to update your iPhone to the latest version and it is not updating because of stuck, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you do this. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after that you have to just simply scroll to below, then here tap on journal and scroll to below, then tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there is connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that again go back, and from here guys simply tap on data and time, and you have to make sure that your data and time is correct. So guys, after this again go back, scroll to below, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network setting, and enter your iPhone password and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after trying this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply press the volume up and volume down button and power off button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, force restart your device for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.